Bonjour, innovation. This is Mr. Roussel, and today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a short moment of silence. You may be seated. Our quote of the day is from Martin Luther King Jr. He says that life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? We've got some important news for the week. As I mentioned earlier, the RenStar testing window closes Friday, September 4th, which means you have just 2 more days to complete your diagnostic RenStar test. Remember, if you're in 6th and 7th grade, you have to do the math and the reading. If you're in 8th grade, you only have to do the reading. As well, your content areas are having diagnostic testing this week, and all of you have until Friday, September 4th to complete that testing. Remember, progress reports are going to be sent home at the end of this week, so make sure you're completing your diagnostic test and all of your assignments. We got a lot of birthdays today. Today, Mr. Thompson is born. Miss Wallace, happy birthday. Ajayla, happy birthday. Brian Dantzler, happy birthday. And Evis Mejia Aguilar, happy birthday, guys. Let's see what's for breakfast and lunch. Today's breakfast is a breakfast burrito. Lunch is a turkey hot dog with Cajun spice beans. As I mentioned before, if you guys are having trouble coming to the school to pick up breakfast or lunch, make sure you fill out the survey for the Meals on Wheels program that delivers to your neighborhood. Our core value of the week is still team and family. What you can do is check on a classmate that doesn't speak often or you haven't seen in a long time. Remember, guys, we're stronger together. As always, that inferno stays lit. Make sure you guys go ahead and rise to every occasion and have a great day.